आप क्या लोगे? What will you have? What will you have? तुम इतना मत बोलो। You don't say so much. You don't say so much. तुम कब तक आ जाओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मैं अभी नहीं आ सकता। I can't come right now. I can't come right now. मैं उसे जानता हूँ। I know him. I know him. यह मेरे लिए है। This is for me. This is for me. इसे कहाँ से शुरू करें? Where to start it? Where to start it? मेरा कितना काम है? How much work do I have? How much work do I have? कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? उसकी बात मत सुनो। Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? मैं तुम्हें नहीं जाने दूंगा। I won't let you go. I won't let you go. आप समझे या नहीं? Did you understand or not? Did you understand or not? आप सो गए क्या? Did you sleep? Did you sleep? अच्छी बात है। It's a good thing. It's a good thing. आपने मेरे लिए क्या किया? What did you for me? What did you for me? आप मेरा कहना क्यों नहीं मानते? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? सब कुछ कैसा है? How is everything? How is everything? घर पर कौन है? Who is at home? Who is at home? मुझे एक मौका दीजिए। Give me a chance. Give me a chance. तुम्हारा मोबाइल कहाँ है? Where is your mobile? Where is your mobile? घर पर कोई नहीं है। There is no one at home. There is no one at home. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. कॉफी तैयार है। Coffee is ready. Coffee is ready. आज छुट्टी है। Today is holiday. Today is holiday. दूसरे को मत बताना। Don't tell others. Don't tell others. लाइट बंद कर दो। Switch off the light. Switch off the light. तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? राम बहुत खुश है। राम is very happy. राम is very happy. यह एक अच्छा विचार है। That's a good idea. That's a good idea. वह बहुत अमीर है। He is very rich. He is very rich. बाजार से कुछ लेकर आओ। Get something from the market. Get something from the market. वह कहीं जा रहा है। He is going somewhere. He is going somewhere. तुम अंग्रेजी सीखो। You learn English. You learn English. अब तुम आज़ाद हो। Now you are free. Now you are free. वक्त पर आना सीखो। Learn to be on time. Learn to be on time. तुम नहीं बदलोगे। You will not change. You will not change. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं आपसे बात करूंगा। I will talk to you. I will talk to you. तुम मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you talk to me? Why don't you talk to me? आपका काम कैसा है? How is your work? How is your work? तुमने खाना कब खाया? When did you eat food? When did you eat food? मुझे भूख नहीं है। I am not hungry. I am not hungry. आज तो कुछ अलग है। Today something is different. Today something is different. अकेले चलना सीखो। Learn to walk alone. Learn to walk alone. मैं आपसे कल मिलूंगा। I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. मैं गलत नहीं हूं। I am not wrong. I am not wrong. यह बहुत महंगा है। It is very expensive. It is very expensive. मैं आपके पास आ सकता हूं। I can come to you. I can come to you. मुझे अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? आपने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? मैं आपके पास नहीं आ सकता। I can't come to you. I can't come to you. तुम नहीं सुनते। You do not listen. You do not listen. मैं नहीं सोता। I do not sleep. I do not sleep. मुझे कोई फिक्र नहीं। I don't care. I don't care. वे नहीं पढ़ते हैं। They do not read. They do not read. यह बहुत है। This is a lot. This is a lot. और कुछ नहीं। Nothing else. Nothing else. मैं अभी आ रहा हूं। I am coming now. I am coming now. मुझे देखना है। I want to see. I want to see. हम नहीं जाते। We don't go. We don't go. एक कहानी सुनाओ। Tell a story. Tell a story. यह बहुत पुरानी बात है। This is a very old thing. This is a very old thing. कूदो मत। Don't jump. Don't jump. तुम बोलती हो। You speak. You speak. मैं नहीं सुनता हूं। I do not listen. I do not listen. जल्दी आना। Come soon. Come soon. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया। I didn't pay attention. I didn't pay attention. आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is it today? What day is it today? मेरे पास आओ। Come to me. Come to me. इसे करो। Do it. Do it. खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट है। The food is very tasty. The food is very tasty. कूदो मत। Don't jump. कूदो मत। Don't jump. यह सही नहीं है। This is not right. This is not right. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो। Hold it carefully. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो। Hold it carefully. वक्त बताएगा। Time will tell. Time will tell. यहां कोई नहीं आया। No one came here. No one came here. इसका पता लगाओ। Find out it. Find out it. अंग्रेजी सीखना अच्छी बात है। लर्निंग इंग्लिश इज़ गुड। अंग्रेजी सीखना अच्छी बात है। लर्निंग इंग्लिश इज़ गुड।